If you are encountering the drivers for this device are not installed code 28 error in Windows 11, this video will guide you through the steps to resolve it. First, open the Windows search bar and type Device Manager, then select and open the application. Once Device Manager is open, locate the device that is showing the error. With that device selected, click on the action menu at the top, and then choose Scan for hardware changes. Another effective method involves checking for driver updates through Windows Update. Right-click on your Start button and select Settings. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. Click on Advanced Options. Here, you will find an option for Optional Updates. Select this option and install any available optional updates, as these can often include necessary driver packages. After installing optional updates, return to the main Windows Update page. Click on Check for Updates. If a cumulative update is available, be sure to select Download and install it, as this can also resolve driver-related issues. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.